I'm going to walk you through the installation process. I'm going to be downloading Python 3.10 because that is currently a version I don't have already on my computer, but I would suggest to you to get Python 3.9 merely because it's not going to have as many bugs as possibly 3.10 will. You will need this. I am going to go to the PyCord GitHub page and get the URL that I need to install it. I'm going to make a folder on my desktop to store the bot in. I do not suggest you to do this. I suggest you to use a different folder that isn't your desktop, mostly because if you just have a bunch of your code stuff on your desktop, that's going to slow down your computer. Basically, this is going to initialize, this is going to tell that I want to run Python. This will specify my version of Python. This says I want to use a module. I'm going to use pip install and then git plus the GitHub URL, whatever. And then if you have Visual Studio installed, you can do code dot to open your code editor. If you have more than one version of Python installed, you have to select your Python version down here. I'm going to be storing it inside of a variable just to make my life a little easier. When mentioned or dot, we don't need that. This will be a function that is called when our bot starts. So we want it to print, and we're making an F string, so this will format, I guess. Oh wait, we don't need that. Token, I will be defining token here. os.get, no, env iron token for os. Come back here. This is python.env. This will mean that we can use an env file to store our token, which is more secure than just writing it. So we import load.env, and then we just call that, and that's all we need. So now we need our bot token. We don't need those two anymore. Create a new application. This is the Discord developer portal. Like so. Sample bot. Add bot. Yes, do it. copy. This will be a token. If you accidentally show someone your token, just hit this button and then go back to your code and set the token. If you do not regenerate the token, that is going to suck for you when they log in to your bot using your token and fuck your server up. Main.py. This is Python, select the version, and then the name of the file, which is main.py. Example bot has logged in. It is not currently in a server, so we go to auth 2, URL generator, bot, application.commands. This will not hurt you to have this clicked here, but it will help you in the long run. I'm just going to select administrator. You can configure that yourself. Test server, continue, authorize. I very much am a human. Alright, so as we saw, not this one, over here. Example bot has logged in, that is what we had put over here. And so it's getting the user tag, and then it's replacing that part there. And how am I doing on time? I'm doing amazing. Okay, so ping command. I can do that. Alright, so basic command. Ping. What does it do? It gets your bot's latency and tells what it is to the user. And so this CTX stands for context. This will hold everything you could possibly need to know. And then this part here, this is defining a typing. This typing will help you understand what you're writing in the long run, and also make your life a little bit easier. So please put that there. Right, ctx.send content equals, so we put that f in front of it to make it an f string. This would be a normal string, this is an f string. So my ping is round times 100, no, 0.01. So bot.latency is 1000 to, no, 100. And then this will round it to the second, and fuck, I don't remember. Second placeholder, what's something like that, I can't remember math. Oh yeah, and then ms, because this is in milliseconds. CLS will clear your terminal. This makes it very easy to see what you're working with. If you're on Linux, you would do clear. I need this. Okay, so our thing was when we mention the bot, or if we do a period. So I'm mentioning the bot, ping. And it seems to have messed up something. Maybe this part? Oh yeah, you can turn off the bot by doing Control-C. I should have specified that at the beginning. .1 milliseconds. That means I gotta go to computer. Alright, time-wise, I think I'm about done. So yeah. So I will continue but this should get you just started.